What's going on, guys? SD Yota here. Here to explain the new setup for the S-Runner. It is a TRD header setup on the 3.4 liter V6 5VZ motor. I went ahead and did a 2.5 inch collector back exhaust system, dumped out the side before axle. It uses two Magnaflow resonator style canisters. Both of them are 14 inch in length in place of the cats. And I have a side exit exhaust on this that dumps out right here, right before the axle, just underneath the, right there. See it? So I'm going to do a quick cold startup, and then I'll go ahead and do a drive-through or driveway sound clip. Alright, truck's warmed up. I'm going to do a quick first and second gear pull. And this is with the with the windows down. So, here we go. Alrighty, and this is going to be with the windows rolled up. Of course, somebody pull in front of me. Overall, not too much noise inside the cab, but still sounds pretty aggressive.